At first, my teachers were disappointed of my handwriting.
Okay.
First, my handwriting was bad. So my mom was scrolling down WhatsApp and saw this. So she told me you can improve your handwriting by going to this class. So I said, okay.
It has been 1 week now. How do you feel? Like, what is the change in your writing? Do you feel you are able to maintain the good writing?
Yes, ma'am. My father said that he has improved his handwriting a lot better. Yes, ma'am. My mother also said the exact same thing.
Okay. Who was more happy?
My mother. I was happy that I left my old handwriting and improved my handwriting much more better.
Can you share your first day's work, Rabi, on screen? Can you just show it to me?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. This was your writing on the first day. Okay. And can you show me the last day's work in the book? Okay. Bring it closer. Okay. Very nice. Okay. Very nice. Beautiful.
To make the words a bit far, not too near.
Okay.
Or don't make the letters too slant.
Okay.
Don't make the letters too fat or too thin.
Very good.
And maintain exact space.
Okay.
And yeah.
Okay.